Click on the link below to get price. The BIGNIU BG-X Electric Bike is an impressive contender in the electric bike market, featuring a robust 1500W brushless motor that delivers a remarkable performance. With a powerful 48V 31.5Ah battery, this bike boasts a range of up to 40 miles on a single charge, making it an excellent choice for both commuting and recreational rides. One standout feature of the BG-X is its design, which balances durability with aesthetic appeal. The frame is sturdy yet lightweight, allowing for easy handling and maneuverability. The bike's sleek lines and modern color options make it visually appealing, ensuring you ride in style. The adjustable seat and ergonomic handlebars enhance comfort over long distances, accommodating various rider heights seamlessly. Performance-wise, the BG-X excels in various terrains. Whether tackling steep hills or cruising on flat roads, the 1500W motor provides a smooth and powerful ride without any lag. The pedal assist feature is intuitive, allowing riders to choose how much effort to exert while riding. Additionally, the bike's top speed is impressive, reaching up to 28 miles per hour, which is perfect for those looking to zip through city streets or enjoy thrilling off-road adventures. Safety is also a priority with the BIGNIU BG-X. The bike is equipped with front and rear disc brakes, providing reliable stopping power, even in wet conditions. The bright LED lights enhance visibility, making nighttime rides safer. Moreover, the BIGNIU BG-X comes with a digital display that tracks your speed, distance, and battery level, ensuring you stay informed during your rides. The bike also features a built-in USB port for charging devices on the go, a thoughtful addition for modern riders. In conclusion, the BIGNIU BG-X Electric Bike stands out for its performance, comfort, and safety features, making it an excellent investment for anyone looking to embrace the electric biking experience. With its combination of power and style, it's truly a bike that meets the demands of today's riders.